Well, I'm gonna tell you what, I'm one happy man. I just got this old car back. Guy did it in about 4 hours, and he just put my new exhaust back on it. And I'm gonna tell you what, I am tickled to death. You just don't know. I can drive it now in the wintertime without dying. I'll show it to you. Fancy. Fancy. I like them tailpipes. That's how I want them too. But it's definitely a lot quieter. It is a lot quieter than it was. But it still sounds good though. Let's see. Oh! Yeah, I like that. Anyway, that's the old car with the new exhaust.